हम लोग जयनगर 7th ब्लॉक में आए हैं। तो मेरे हस्बैंड का एक फ्रेंड उनका रेस्टोरेंट है, तो उनके रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में तो बहुत सुने थे, सोचे कि आज आके वहाँ से खाना खाएं, क्योंकि पूरा सात्विक है, विदाउट ऑनियन गार्लिक का खाना है। इसलिए हम लोग वहाँ पे आए हैं खाना खाने के लिए। तो मैं मास्क लगा के बात कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा ठीक से क्लियर नहीं आता होगा। तो अभी रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर चलती हूँ, अंदर का भी दृश्य आपको दिखाऊंगी और क्या है, क्या स्पेशलिटी है, हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं वो भी आपको बताऊंगी। हम लोग ऑर्डर किए हैं थाली, अभी थाली आ गया है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी बाद में। देखिए ये साउथ इंडियन थाली है। वीकडेज में थोड़ा छोटा थाली होता है और वीकेंड में थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा थाली है बोल रहे हैं। तो हम वीकडेज में ही आए हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग कभी आए हैं हमारे एक फ्रेंड के रेस्टोरेंट में, सात्विक आहार मिलता है और मेरे हस्बैंड के फ्रेंड है, तो हम सोचे वहाँ पे वीडियो करें, क्योंकि विदाउट ऑनियन गार्लिक में खाना मिलता है। तो हम हमेशा तो ढूंढते रहते हैं कहाँ बिना ऑनियन गार्लिक का खाना मिलेगा। सो ही इज रघु।
Hello.
Yeah.
I work here in this restaurant by name Satkriti Satvik. Satkriti in
He is
Sanskrit.
actually owner.
Satkriti in Sanskrit means good deed. Okay, we want to do the right thing here, so that's why we started this restaurant. And something unique thing about this restaurant is the current pandemic, that is COVID-19. It's affecting every business, people from all the walks of life. We have made some arrangements to make ourselves safer as well as our customers safer from this. The device what you see here, this is a device which is invented by a Bangalore-based scientist by name Raja Vijay Kumar. And this device works on flooding the area with photons and electrons. So electrons are kind of encouraged by the photons to come out of that device, and it is works with a 11 kV step up voltage, high frequency. What it does is it creates an electron cloud, and whenever COVID or any other virus comes out in the open, the virus will have a positive charged element, and it's a protein itself. Here with the coronavirus, the spike is connected to the protein, which is positive charged element, and whenever a virus comes out in this environment, the virus is attracted by millions or trillions of electrons, which are waiting for something which is positive. So that is the law of physics. And whenever a virus comes out and this comes in midst of so many electrons, it gets dismembered or attenuated. So virus will not have capability to reproduce or affect the human cells. This device has worked with us. We are the first restaurant in Karnataka to have it in this one last year during the first wave.
What is this called? The device?
It's called Shycocan. Saline hyperscale corona cannon.
Okay.
And this device has helped us to stay free of corona or any other infection.
But how did you understand that? I mean, you realize that this is killing the germs and all?
So we have done RT-PCR tests for quite few RT-PCR reports. So to understand whether we are getting affected or not. So these RT-PCR
But
tests,
keep on doing like
yes,
every month.
We did it for continuously for 3 months.
3 months.
And we tend to meet anywhere between 300 to 600 people a day, depending on day of the week. This picture actually is a painting by an artist. This picture originates from a book called Yoga for Body Mind, written by Swami Shivananda Ashram. With all my expertise in internet searching this, I couldn't get a picture of this size with the pixel. So I got an artist to draw this picture for me. So here we talks about, see, this is there's a 3 divisions here, 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
So at the ingredient level, this is called Sattvic, This is Rajasic, this is Tamasic.
Okay.
So this is, if you see the pointers, it is pointing to the Sattvic food. And that is the exact transliteration from Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 8th verses and the behavior. People who eat the Sattvic food. So you had food, right?
Yes.
Are you feeling heavy?
No.
Are you feeling that?
No, it is not too much. I
Yes.
don't feel that.
But you had good amount of food.
Yes.
So that is the
Because of Sattvic Ahar.
Sattvic Ahar. Sattvic Ahar is actually a balanced food of those times, where none of the taste like sour, sweet, or salt, hardness are in excess. It is all in a kind of harmonized balance. So that is what is Sattvic food. And people who have Sattvic food, they have the mental pies and the nervous equilibrium. So you always see in our Hindu tradition, the person who attains realization or in the path of realization, they tend to have Sattvic food. And those people are always calm, not disturbed by what's happening around. It is one of the reasons. It is not the only thing that influences, but
So many things, but this is one part.
it is a portrait. The foreground, this one is Krishna and Arjuna. This is supposed to be the Kurukshetra scene. And the background is not Vishwarupa Darshana as people think, it is a Dashavatara. See, if you put a knot, right, the food that are, if you add a knot there, not bitter, not sour, not saline, not excessively hot, pungent, dry and burning, it becomes Sattvic. If any of this is excess, then it becomes Rajasic. And Tamasic food, which is stale, tasteless, impure, rotten, that is Tamasic. Rajasic people are getting overstimulated, what we call hyperactive people. This is Sattvic people are balanced, they are hyperactive, these people are what we call they become dull and lazy, lack high ideals, motivation. This is one portion. Food is kept at 75 degrees constant temperature. At 60 degrees also there are bacteria, fungus which will survive and develop. So we want to avoid that, so food is boiling hot. If you touch it, it may burn. Any crockery, cutlery what we use is made of glass. It's called tempered glass. Why glass? If you go back to if you go back to your chemistry classes, all the acids were kept in glass because glass doesn't react with any acid. This container is supposed to be superior to your steel. Glass and porcelain is the next question. No plastics. No plastics. This is a actual vinegar what we use. Okay, you get another kind of thing called clear water like synthetic one and the natural one. This is about 20 rupees a liter to 150 rupees for half a liter. I'll go. You guys must be using mustard oil.
Yes, yes, yes.
We also use. It is all kachi dani.
Yes.
कौन भैया ये ऐसे तू रखा है कैसे See, we freeze the spices and then grind it. We freeze it to minus 25 degrees.
This chili also, what do you say?
This is badigi.
Badigi chili. This is very nice.
And not that hot. It comes from Spain.
Yes. My son actually he is not staying here. So he asked me to send me that Badige chili and I sent for him.
Although there is a thing to wash and everything, still we'll have breakages
Dry and then come.
because people are careless. This is one speciality of this is it recycles water. It uses 35 liters of water to wash this one.
Yes.
But after that, it will just use 2 liters of fresh water and finishes and gives it. 33 liters it goes back again. So
Water wastage also is
it
not
comes from Germany. It's called winter halter.
all everything you got it from outside. Like.
It's the day we opened it is there. When people go to the restroom, they sanitize it. So that dosa batti comes from Germany again. So Monica flour. And it helps me saving at least 30 cylinders in a month.
Oh, very nice.
Now cylinder cost is about 1800 rupees. This is my chef and cook. Okay, I brought this company to Bangalore. It's called Kanvatar. This comes from Germany, you can see here. Made in Germany. What and all we cook in this?
Oh, you always
Let's take
take
a look.
it there. Okay.
Vesibele bath, bonda soup, kesari bath, kara pongal, paisa, rasam, rice bath, everything.
Everything you can cook in this.
Including the gravy what you eat. Yes, yes.
Oh.
The rasam, sambar what you eat is
All
all in
this
this.
recipes.
That felt very flavorful. Right?
Yes, but how it will be any machines there?
You see the vessels there?
Yeah, containers. Oh,
So you just put it
see the
inside.
medicine machine is inside it. Medical research.
So this is called a closed cooking concept.
Oh, nice.
So this will not
The
allow
vitamin will go out.
nutrients to
Medicines
escape.
will be inside.
So need for specialized manpower, person tied to a role. So we have more all-rounders. In terms of cricket, if you take, our cooking staff are more of all-rounders than specialists.
This is white. Is white. Color little whitish.
Yellowish,
That yellow. Yellowish.
loaded with lot of chemicals to get that color.
Okay.
What happens is all our boys, right? They tend to eat one day outside, and next day they fall sick. RoboCube, made in France. There are the blades that are attached to that.
Coconut and all it will be dated.
No, no, this is for vegetable dicing.
Oh, vegetable. Okay.
ಇದು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಈ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಂಡಿಗೆ we grind our own
From
masalas.
front it is looking so small. From back side it is useless.
And also make our own coffee powder.
Okay.
Powder for grinding, grating.
Dosa, idli and all.
Yes, yes, yes. So we give a lot of emphasis on the quality of the food.
Yes.
And it's very
कहाँ से?
important.
Bihar se. Mr. Raghu will visit again and I will tell my friends. So we have lot of friends actually they don't take onion and garlic. For them it will be very helpful. And we like the taste. Not very spicy, not very moderate food and very nice. Good for health. Now also I'm not feeling that heavy. Sometime I go out and eat. I cannot stand. I'll go and lie down on the bed. It's nice.
So the sweet what you had was it very
Sweet also, no, correct. It's very sweet, we don't like actually. Also. तो फ्रेंड्स अभी आप ये चैनल को देख के आपको कैसे लगा ये जो रेस्टोरेंट का मैं डाली हूँ आप ज़रूर बताना और उसके बारे में आपको कुछ भी एड्रेस कुछ भी चाहिए तो मैसेज कर देना हम मैसेज का उसका मैं आंसर दे दूँगी ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे फ्रेंड्स बाय